Siyabonga kakhulu kini nonke kwekuthi nimake sure kwekuthi nasita sithi sidongcongcotha kwekuthi sicela ukuthi nikhangise ibrand yethu nisemukele singsani nengce kusemukela nisisupport. We really appreciate indlela lenisiphethe ngayo kakhulu. Ngide emagama langakanani ekubonga. You know, I always say uhlale kungithobisa kusebenta nawo, and the reason behind that ngokuthi uhoho nguye lo setha le trend. Most of lalamanye ema regions, not ukuthi akangisebenzisi kahle, but most of lalama regions nguweva sekathi akahoho wendeni eQ bangibita ngaQ wendeni eQ. So kuyangithobisa lokusebenta nahoho nami kungikhulisile in my field. Nakuthiwa ngithinza ifootball kunengle ngikufundzile kunengle ngikufundzile ukuthi ohoho lapha inze futhi wangibusisa ngako ukuthi they will include females kule sport lesi. So I never felt like ngidropiwe nje lapha. I never felt afraid ukuthi ngibe sephambi kwenu ne respect lenisipha yona singema sponsors. And I so much believe ukuthi you are not only doing it to Sunny, but you are doing it to every sponsor that comes and make ebudlelwane nani. Ngine phambi kwenu angatithumi. I don't own Sunny, but ngiqinisile long marketing waka Sunny, and ngifunywe ngilengapani ngifunywe baphathi bami ngokuthi even this year ngibuye ngidobabongela ngokuthi babonge ukuthi niqhubeke emakhaya nisebenzise ema brands enu. Le ngithi each and every time nangikhuluma ngithi le brand lena lebhalwe Sunny I brand le nawuyibona yadi ngokuthi yasekhaya. Because kusungulwa kwayo yonke kuchamuka lana. Owner may not be njengaqinisile, but the over 40 years that he's been working for eMaswati, and he's been here all these years. So yonke lengapani lena isungulwe ngeMaswati and isenjetwa ngeMaswati. You'll be very surprised if you come to lapho khona si package khona letitoko bo rice bo banibani. You will be very surprised now khanza eMaswati lese namhla anetitukulwane tawo letibuye futhi tabuye tangena lana. So in terms of who contributor ku economy singusani, we are really contributing kakhulu, because sinakekela ngisho noma ngabe comfort bekaza mina sengiya retire nangabe umfana ka qualify kungena emsebenzini, we always make sure ukuthi we take care of staff sethu. So siyabonga kakhulu. We wouldn't have done it without you giving us support nekwethemba our brands in the market, and we promise ukuthi konke lesikwendako kulama brands we will make sure ukuthi sizame ukuthi sinake equality yethu, siqhubeke sinisave ngalendlela lebe sinisave ngayo, nisitfole titoko letifanele etitolo letidzingwa ngini, because our mandate is to service you as consumers. Leleni kudzingako thina we go to you and ask nifunani, nisho ukuthi sifuna emanti at a very affordable price. We go and source and come back sibuye save eMaswati. Thank you very much. Ngicela kwetfula babesho ngokuthi nalonyaka we are here 2025-2026 season. I'm pleased ukuthi ngetfule sponsorship salonyaka nas emanuchaya kancane. So nalonyaka ngitowetfula sponsor uHoho Super League lesing 110,000.
Vocês estão bom.
Siyethemba nalonyaka ndayiphatha kahle ibrand yethu, niqhubeke nisisupporte, niqhubeke nithenge ema brands ethu etitolo. Lokuhle ngema brands ethu ukuthi they cater for everyone. Kude ngokuthi sani webafati cha kude longadli. Sani webafati kude longawashi. Sani webafati kude longa kude nje kude nawujika likona uyamthola sani. Lokusho ukuthi noma wenda ibrayi, we've got a product that speaks to your occasion. Noma ngabe ufuna kuwasha, we've got a product that speaks to that what you want to do. Noma ngathi ufuna ini uva sekushoda sale sithengisa tingubo. So we've got everything. Sithi Singisani, we are here to make sure ukuthi we take care of your home. Kuko konke njena we want to take care of your home, and siyanicela lokuthi nisivumele ngokuthi simanakekele imindeni yenu emakhaya enu ngema products enu. Siyabonga. Bese kokuthi kunabo makele sabachasa last year sathi sidawuba niketa ema kits babe ngu5 sibanikete ikit yokuthi each and every time kunemabhola kuletindzawo tawo in their respective places sidawu bese sidabanikete ama t-shirts ukuthi bakhone kugcoka nema caps bese sibaniketa ikhula neumbrella bese bayakhona ukuthi noma ngabe nidlala nikhone ku accessa emanti ethu abanza. So on that sithi sifuna kuba empowerisha nabo babuye babe nababukela abamfa babo baye ebholeni babe nakuthiwa yini nemidlandla wekuya ebholeni bangabavimbi bantwana nabaye ebholeni, because they will understand ngokuthi ebholeni akusiko ukuthi kudlalwa kukhahlelwa ibhola kuphela, but there is so much opportunities labangakhona kwa unlocka nabo babomake. So labomake laba bakulama regions lahluka bakuletinze tigodzi letehlukene labangachuzwa ke ngisani but bachuzwe ngema teams lamanye. I may not be too sure ukuthi kwendeke kanjani, but I know ukuthi bakulama different places, and some of them I've called them and they've approved ukuthi vele bakuletindzawo leto. So siyabonga kakhulu.